Hello YouTube, one more time. Today's video is about this 2016 Mercedes GLC 300 with a 2.0 turbo engine. In today's video, we're going to talk about this electronic suspension module. Pump. This is the compressor or the pump that provides the sufficient pressure to level up the suspension. This one is equipped with airbags on all four corners, and this thing, it's bad. How do I know it's bad? Well, simple testing. I disconnected this end of the connector, and so I went ahead and applied power and ground. Obviously it's the brown one. Power is going to be the red with white, and just automatically the tester was popping out the fuse. I already replaced the pump down there. You can probably see it down there. Probably. Let's see. Okay, I don't think it's possible to see it from this angle. No, I don't think it's possible. But anyways, let me just see if I can get a better angle. Down there. There you go. That's the new compressor right there. So ultimately, the compressor, when it's new, it picks at 27 amps. That's what I recorded with this tool. It's an amp meter that you guys already seen me using multiple times. And the thing about this, and I want to mention, the fuse is a 40 amp fuse, similar to this, 40 amps. This one got blown out. Let's pay attention over here. You guys can see that the fuse is blown out right there. So we're also gonna do a quick test. We're gonna use the Fluke multimeter. There, we have an open circuit. I'm gonna compare it to a good non-fuse, which is the one that's gonna go back to the vehicle since we have a open circuit. There you go. This one is good. The circuit is complete. And so basically the pump peaks at 27 amps. So there's plenty of room for this thing to actually have the ability to handle the circuit. But as we can see, this pump was already shorting out internally and therefore blew out the fuse. There could be multiple reasons why the pump is, goes bad. The most notorious one will be a faulty airbag, the suspension airbag. One of those things right here, it might be leaking, and it triggers it triggers the compressor to be running constantly, generating excessive heat and therefore putting more wear on the compressor, and that will cause the compressor to fail. Another thing that I want to mention, there is a relay right here that is the one that controls this air suspension compressor. This is controlled by the electronic suspension control module. Okay, you guys can test it. You guys already know the testing procedure will be on the two short blades. You guys apply power and ground, and then you check continuity among the two large blades. It's pretty similar to the secondary injection pump relays on Volkswagens, and the relay lives right here. Okay, and there is two main fuses for the compressor. The main one, it's situated on that side next to the battery, and this is the secondary one that is basically the one that we're gonna replace right now. This is the one that lives right here. And one quick test that you guys can actually do to determine whether, besides this one being bad, whether you have power coming here from the battery. Basically there's another fuse, so this will be a constant 12 volts. right there. You can see this one has 12 volts, so that means this one is dead, because obviously there is no command, no bridge going on. So as you can see, there's 12 volts. So what that means, that there is another fuse box over here, larger fuses, 160, but as you can see, these are not used. And there's more here, so in case you guys are wondering, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus the 3 on top and another one. So that makes a total of 12 fuses. Now, let me read. So the one that I know, that is the one that provides power to that side of the other fuse box, is this guy. So if you test the fuse over here, you see should be power on both ends of the fuse, knowing that this is the good known fuse. Okay, so those are the 3 things to check for: this main fuse, the 60 amps, the 40 amp fuse, the relay, and then after that you can proceed to check the compressor. I'm doing this so that probably this can help somebody else out there. Thanks for watching. Until next time.